Well, we're here at Kiki school. My niece, pick her up, surprise her with the Lamborghini. We're here now. The weather looks good.
Everybody's talking about your car.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Oh, I gotta get your book bag in the front. Hold on. Yeah, take your book bag off. Remember, I gotta put it up there.
Wait.
I'll take it. Don't worry about it.
Wait, where do I put this?
Oh. Put it right here.
Wait, where?
In here. Let me see this. Let me see that.
Back up? Here. Alright, watch yourself.
Okay, tell me about this TikTok. Kiara said, did you see my uncle's car? I said, what's he do? She said, TikTok.
I said YouTube.
YouTube, that was it.
Yeah.
What do you do?
I just do car stuff.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying. I just started.
How fun.
Bag up here first. Let me get this thing started.
Did you say put it like...
Huh?
Did you say put it on?
No, hold on a second. I want you to do the top of it.
Up?
No, the other way.
Oh.
Keep it held until you hear a beep. That beep. You want the windows up or you want them down?
Down.
So you just do this.
Oh, wow.
Do this. We're gonna leave this one on. You got your plant?
Yep.
It doesn't fit back here?
It's not gonna go under.
Nah, this stupid thing don't work either. It could have went in there. Well, can you hold on to it?
Yeah.
Okay. It ain't gonna be too bad. Oh, I got that on. So now you can talk.
Let us say it again. Her name is Miss Flanagan. Someone picking up a kid on a motorcycle. Someone's picking up a kid on a motorcycle.
Yeah, I knew somebody did that before. They did that at a cave school.
Really?
Yeah.
I wonder who got picked up by the motorcycle. Can't wait to see Kaden. I am so excited. I cannot wait.
Huh?
I cannot wait. Then we can play Fortnite together.
Can't you do it here? From here?
I can, but I'm not really sure if he's gonna be online or not. I don't think we're gonna. I might as well keep the ride to myself forever and ever and ever and ever and ever.
And ever. Huh?
Walking is boring.
Well, it's alright. It's healthy.
Yeah. I ride my bike. But telling Kimani got a fence at their house, so I have to go around the block to see Mariah.
Oh, because the fence is up?
Yeah. That was the only way we could take. Because the only way I could go there now. Because that was the only way we could take it. Now that they have a fence at their house, we aren't able to go there anymore. That was the only way to go. And now we have to go around the block. At least I get to go by myself with my watch. I'm gonna call it the front. It's in the front.
Front trunk.
Front.
What kind of plant is that?
It's tomato.
Uh-huh.
Tomato.
Show the camera.
It's a cherry tomato plant.
Oh, a cherry tomato. Well, that's gonna grow pretty fast, huh? Oh yeah.
My birthday's in 1 month.
Ooh.
You should already know what I want by what I got from that store.
Let's see. What did you get? You got
Poppets.
the poppets,
And those ring things.
the ring things. What else did you get?
Chocolate
Oh
bunny.
yeah.
The chocolate bunny.
So what is it that you do want? You got 3 things. I know you want all of those.
I've already made a birthday list for mommy and daddy because I want to go to Skateway South. Because they come out and ask if you're there for a birthday or a party, and then we get to go in earlier. You get to skate, you get pizza, you get cake.
Pizza and cake?
Yep.
Whoa. So how do you like the roof down? Look through this footage because I told it just now. I just forgot the camera was on. Yeah, I did. And I was here making weird noises and faces and stuff. Hey, but guess what? Might keep it in anyway.
Keep it in. Please.
Oof. Man.
How fast she goes, man?
201.
That's the top speed you gave it?
Oh, not me. Not me. That's how fast it could go.
Pretty great.
Wow.
That was loud, huh?
Yes. Cold.
We're gonna stop at Mr. Glenn over there.
KountryQ BBQ. KountryQ BBQ. KountryQ. What?
Hey, I don't think we're gonna get anything today. I'm just saying hi, and then we're gonna probably get something later.
Okay.
So now I can put this on Instagram. All right, we here at KountryQ. There he is. Awesome brisket, telling you. Got my niece Kiki. Just picked her up from school. There we go.
Hi.
How'd you like the ride?
Amazing.
Yeah, I like that one better than the McLaren, definitely. What are you doing, woman? You're silly. I am not doing it. She finally calmed down and had to get something out the front here. What you got there?
Buttercup poppets? These. I forgot what these are called. These are little magnet ring things. Poppet balls.
Oh man. You and your little toys, I tell you. Well, all right, we got Mr. Glenn right here from that's his spot right here. That's Mr. Glenn. Awesome dude. Awesome dude. Come check him out. Best brisket. Just ask him. Just ask him. See? He knows.
Yeah, decent.
All right, getting ready to leave KountryQ. And Kiki and her plants. And there's Mr. Glenn. We got to head out of here.
I'm very tired.
I know you are. All that running you was doing, huh?
I almost fell. I almost fell.
Oh, I gotta stop at the gas station while I'm messing around. I'm here taking all the gas out of here. All right, we about to see how much gas this thing about to take. Here, take that.
Okay.
And then point it that way.
Okay. Circle. K. It's a circle
Huh?
and a K. How dare you?
How much gas do you think it's gonna take?
I don't know. A lot.
A lot?
Yeah.
I don't mean to walk up on you like that.
Okay. I'm just getting gas.
Yeah, I see you. Nice to meet you. Where are you for work?
Investor.
Investor. That's awesome. That's awesome. You live out in Ocala? Just driving through?
No, I stay out here.
This thing is nasty,
Let me just sit my tomato plant
bro. No, man, I'm
down.
P63. This is my daily right now.
Gotcha.
This is
Oh,
next.
AMG?
Yeah, this is next. So I just have 2 young folks.
How much gas will this thing take away from this thing? I feel like I'm too short for this car. At least I'm taller. At least I'm taller than the car.
Yeah, no worries. I just want to chill and talk a little bit, bro. That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah, I like talking talking business, man. Talking. If you ain't talking money, man, you guys might as well leave me alone.
Yeah, I love it. Hey, I'm young, bro. I need you got to show me the way.
Hey, let's hit me up, man. We'll,
I got you. Ciara, I'm Gary. Nice to meet you guys. You're in a nice car.
Oh, you can put it on him too.
Yeah,
that's my
fine.
little camera woman.
Oh, she's your camera woman. There
Yeah,
you
for
go.
right now.
Hey, Atlantic Energy. I'm sorry you went through momentum.
Oh, see, now he's plugging now. You see that? But it's all good.
I'll see you, man. Have a good one.
All right, man. You too.
Yep, God bless.
Yeah,
Bye.
hit me up.
Absolutely.
No, you're good, though. You're good. That wasn't too bad. 104. That's not bad. Man,
I zoomed in and showed them.
I hear, hold on, man. Hold on, we about to check this one out here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it there. I'm telling you, man. Oh, yeah, you got this thing hooked up. X pipes and all, right?
Stage 2, yep.
Ah,
Yep. Dude, it's a daily.
yeah. Cause I heard it the first time. I was like,
Hey,
it's
I'll
not.
be listening for you.
Huh?
I'll be listening to yours.
Oh, I'll rev it right now. Give me a second.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Time for a rev battle.
Let's go, let's go. Lamb Bros. That's nasty, man. That's nasty. You guys have a good one. God
All right.
bless.
You too,
Absolutely.
man.
I'll see you around.
Yeah, man.